All right, today we're going to be creating another isometric shape using our online isometric drawing tools. So what we're going to do is we are going to create this, it's almost like a capital I, but sideways. So we're going to start by going up 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So again, find somewhere to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go up and over one, up and over one. So kind of at a diagonal, diagonal. And let's just close this up. We actually have our first top face completed. So if we go down one, and now we're going to go over 1, 2, 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. Up here, we're going to go over 1, 2, 1, 2, and we're going to connect that. So we're actually done now with 2 of our top faces. We're going to go straight up and straight up. 1, 2. And then also we're going to make this little top face just like we did over here. So let's close that up. Whoops. Get rid of that little guy. And now we are done with all of our top faces. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to start up here. We're going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close that up. We are now done with our front face. We're going to go over 1 to get our block thickness, and we're going to go up 1. We are going to go over now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we are going to go down 1. And up 1. But here's the problem. We can now not connect to one of these points because this is now one long continuous line. So let's delete this and delete this. Let's click on our line segment tool, and we're going to do individual segments and close that off. So now we are done with our front faces. We're going to go over to the side 1 and connect. So we are actually all done with this shape now for number 4. Next, the shading can be a little bit difficult with this one. So let's start with our top side. And let's do purple. So we can click there. We can click there. Boom, boom. Now this part, this is where it gets a little confusing. If I were to click here, see how I now color into this next portion? I am going to use my eraser, and I'm going to erase that. But now it's erasing my line segments. So now I'm going to redraw those. Okay, and I'm going to choose a different one of these tools. So let's try this. Let's do the purple. Perfect. I can click on this little spot. Awesome. Now all of our top faces are shaded. So let's do our front faces. We'll do this blue color. Okay, now this part is probably the most trickiest part. Okay, see how if I use this shape, it's going to color inside there. If I use this shape, it's going to color outside of there. And if I use this shape, it's going to color over that line. So what we're going to do for this one is let's just use the shape that will go to the outside right here, and we're going to actually just use white, and we're just going to, oh, is that white? Oof, all right, that's really dark. Let's see, I don't like that. We might just have to roll with it for this one. Okay. There we go. That looks a lot better. Okay. So find, use your top face for this one and just kind of cover it up with white. That looks a lot better. Okay. We could even do that too. So now we got both of our front faces shaded. Now let's do our right. Oh, I actually forgot one right here. Ooh, there we go. Okay. So now let's do our front. We'll change it up. Or I'm sorry, our side. All right, there we go. This is how you complete isometric shape number 4.